tutorial on how to transfer money using the Capitec app. Title: How to transfer money using Capitec app. Quick tutorial. Intro: Need to transfer money with your Capitec app? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to send money fast and safely. Step 1. Open the Capitec app. First, open the Capitec Bank app on your phone and log in with your PIN. Step 2. Select Payments. On the home screen, tap on Payments to start your transfer. Step 3. Choose Recipient. Next, select an existing beneficiary or tap Add Beneficiary if you want to send money to a new account. Step 4. Enter transfer details. Type in the amount you want to send, select the bank and account number, then add a reference if needed. Step 5. Confirm payment. Finally, review the details and tap Pay. Enter your remote PIN to confirm, and your money will be sent instantly. Outro. And that's it. That's how you transfer money using the Capitec app. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more banking tutorials.